One of the best oil for hair growth. What's up people, welcome back to my channel. Sylvia here, and in today's video we are going to be doing coconut oil for hair growth. So we are going to be doing the coconut oil ourselves from the scratch. If you don't know how to do coconut oil, this is the best, easiest method to do your coconut oil without actually spending anything. Just buying the coconut and you are good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead, cut my coconut into pieces so my blender can blend it very well. Coconut oil is one of the best hair growth oil, and it can be used as a sealing or a leave-in conditioner or even a hair mask. Coconut oil may not have the ability to make your hair grow overnight, but it has the ability to make your hair look shinier and also make your hair stronger. Coconut oil can be used to prepare your clove oil, your avocado oil, your neem tree oil, or your lemongrass oil, any other oil, rosemary oil. You can use your coconut oil to prepare this oil. Coconut oil has the ability to keep your scalp free of dandruff, helps soften and condition your hair, helps and add more shines to your hair, it stimulates hair growth, and it can also be used to seal in moisture into your hair. With all these benefits of coconut oil, you need to be sure the coconut oil you are putting on your hair is free of any other product. It is made of pure coconut. It's only coconut that is used for the oil. To prevent all these things, it's better you know how to do your own coconut oil and save you some money, stress, and damaged hair in the process. So join me, watch to the end, and learn how to do a coconut oil from your house without actually going through any stress. So this is our chopped coconut, and I'm just going to go ahead and wash it clean. I just want to be sure I'm washing the coconut clean of any dirt before actually blending it. After washing it thoroughly, I'm just going to go ahead, pour it in my blender and blend it into milk. After blending my coconut, I went ahead and sieved the chaff out of the milk. You need to be extra careful when you are sieving it because you don't want to pour chaff in the milk you've worked hard on. So I was very careful. I even sieved it twice. We are not going to use fire. We are not going to put this on fire. We are going to do the cold pressed coconut oil. So guys, this is our coconut milk sieved and clean. So I just went ahead, pour it back into the a bigger bowl, and cover it for 20 hours. From there, I place it into the freezer for 1 hour to solidify the oil to enable easy separation. So this is how it looks like after 1 hour in the freezer. Then the water hasn't been solid yet, but the oil was solid. So I'm separating the oil from the water. Mind you, this is not just the oil. We have some cream also that we need to separate later. Watch on and see how I will separate the cream from the oil.
The left side, the right brain drives me insane.
So this is our oil and cream together. I'm going to melt this. I'll just put it on the sun. So after melting it, this is 3 layers: the cream on top, oil in the middle, and cream under. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop the cream off, then put the oil in another bowl, then solidify that oil again. So let's go ahead and scoop the cream and pour the oil in another bowl. Let me give you a closer look. This is how it looks. That is the oil under the cream, and I'm going to take my time. You have to take your time here and scoop the cream one by one, then scoop the oil in another bowl. So I use only 4 coconuts. If you are doing it and you want a lot of oil, you want plenty oil, you can use more than 4 coconuts. This is oil from 4 coconuts.
The right brain.
Guys, you need to be very careful when you're scooping the oil. So after scooping it, I put it back into the freezer to solidify. So this is how it looks now, very clean and whitish. I'm just going to take it and remove the cream. That is the brownish thing at the back is the cream. I just scoop it off, and this is our oil, clean and very white. So guys, let me know what you think about this oil in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about hair growth products. Bye.